Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. As I told you in the previous video that in this video I am going to share more amazing planter decoration ideas. These are few of my previous DIY planters. If you have not watched that video, I will share the link in the description. You can transform your old planters into beautiful ones by these cute and easy DIYs. Before starting the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will get updated whenever I will upload new video. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First, wipe the pot properly to remove the dust. I have painted all the pots with white enamel. I am using Fevicryl molded. You will get it easily on craft store for ₹20 only. There are 2 packets inside it. You need to mix them and knead them properly. When you get uniform color, then start making the DIY. You need to take them in equal quantity. And after mixing it, use it immediately within 5 to 10 minutes, otherwise it will get hard. First roll it and paste it with the help of Fevicol on the desired place on pot. I am going to make the face. It is quite simple and easy to make. Molded is quite simple and easy to use. You should definitely try for your DIYs. I am using the same enamel paint. I bought this for ₹180 from the hardware store. This DIY is really very easy and I made it in just 5 minutes only. And it costs only ₹20. This one is my favorite. If you like this DIY, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's move to our second planter, the cutest one. This was the red ceramic pot. I painted it in white. To decorate it, I am using some shells and jute rope and pasting the jute rope around the pot with the help of hot glue. It's a little bit tough to work upon the planted pots, but still I enjoy doing this. Paste the shells. And our cute planter is ready in no time. I just love how it came out to be. If you like this DIY, please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Our third planter is also simple and easy. First I am wrapping around the white rope and paste it with the help of hot glue. Now with the help of black permanent marker, draw the pattern which you want to draw. I make a cute face and use googly eyes. How cute this planter is. For the fourth planter, I am pasting jute rope around it. I am using scissors as glue is quite hot and it might burn our hands, so use it carefully. Now I paste the jute rope in the form of initials written by hot glue. You can draw any pattern to fill the gap around. I am making the cross. You can draw the lines, you can draw the hearts, you can draw any other pattern with the help of permanent marker, and these planters will look so beautiful. Both the planters are so cute and easy and made in no time. I hope you like this DIY. Please hit the like button if you do it. Now come to fifth planter. I wrapped the rope as previously done and write with the black permanent marker. It's easy and cute. To make the pair, I took another planter, a little bit bigger than the previous one, and pasted jute rope around it. I wrote the quote with permanent marker. To secure the color, I am using the solution of 2 parts Fevicol and 1 part water. Apply the solution with the help of brush and it will secure it from water. How beautiful and cute these planters are looking together. Now come to our last planter. I am using black acrylic color here. You can use permanent marker as well. Now to fill the gap, I am making dots. To give the vintage look, I am using jute rope around it. I plan to put it near the Alexa. That's why I made it. I hope you liked all the planter ideas which I shared in this video. This planter idea is my favorite one and it was made in no time. It came out to be very beautiful. Which one was your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched the previous video, you can go through that also. In the next video, I am going to share how I revamped my balcony with these planters. So I am going to give a makeover to my balcony in the next episode. So stay tuned, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay home and be crafty. Bye bye.